it would rain. That's the way I feel today. I hate to complain, but what else can I say? When the blue sky reminds me of the blue in his eyes, I wish the clouds would cover the skies, and I wish it would rain. I wish it would rain, just to wash away my tears. They're all that remain of the sadness that appears when the sunshine blinds me, and all I can see is his face. As I stare into space, I wish it would rain. With the sun bearing down, the shadow is following me. Oh, but it would surely fade if a little rain could be made. I wish it would rain, just to clear the air and settle the dust stirred up by this last affair. 'Cause it's so dry, sometimes it finds me with a catch in my throat. I can't sing another note, and I wish it would rain. I wish it would rain, just to clear the air and settle the dust stirred up by this last affair. 'Cause it's so dry, sometimes it finds me with a catch in my throat, and I can't sing another note. And I wish it would rain. I can't sing another note. And I wish it would rain. I can't sing. I can't sing. I wish it would rain. I can't sing another note. I wish it would rain.